Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change pitch in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, you have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change pitch in Bandlab. So to change the pitch of your audio in Bandlab, you can use the pitch shift feature. Launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device. Go to your library and open the project containing the audio you want to change the pitch of. Then click on the audio region you want to pitch shift. Then click on FX button to open the effects panel. Then click on add effect and choose pitch shift. After that, use the pitch shift slider to raise or lower the pitch to your desired level. Then listen to audio and make any necessary adjustments. And that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.